How to delete everything on PC or laptop. For this, first we need to go with the settings. Click system settings. In the left hand side you have seen the second option, system settings. Click it and scroll down and search for recovery settings. Click the recovery settings. This page will appear. In this you need to click reset the PC. The right hand side you have seen the reset PC setting is tab. Click it. Once clicking after, the pop-up will appear. In this keep my files and remove everything is that. In this we need to remove everything. Wait for a couple of seconds. After, it will ask cloud download or local reinstall. I go with local reinstaller. And next, it's asking additional settings like remove apps and files and delete all files and reinstall Windows from the drive. It depends on you. You can choose it. For me, I'm choosing by using change settings and one by one clear and download. So for this, I choose just remove your files and I will check it. So clean the drive. This may take hours and it will make a query files. So for this, the first option is no, and second option delete files from all drivers. Yes, we need to delete from all the drivers. So click yes, all drivers, and after that, the third step, download Windows, reinstall Windows from this drive, or else download and reinstall Windows. So I go with no. So like this, you can check it, and depends on you. You can choose it. After, click continue and click next and wait for a couple of seconds. Be patient, it will take some time to checking. And ready to reset the PC is there. So depends on our settings, our given settings. So it will reinstall the PC. So remove all the personal files and remove any changes made to settings. Remove any apps and Windows for the device. Will take while and your PC will reset. So click reset. So this is how to reset the PC or laptop. Thanks for watching. For more videos, stay tuned. Thank you.